Hey guys, Glen Affiliate Profit Pages. How are you? Hope you're doing great. Today I've got a really cool program to show you. It's called 4Brand. It is a logo branding, video branding, social media branding, and mock-up program. That's just the beginning of it. And then if you want to do the add-on, you can go for a full agency. So if you're looking at making a couple bucks on Fiverr or Odesk or Upworks, that kind of thing, this is a great tool for you. If you have your own little business you're starting for yourself, this is a very inexpensive way to do your own branding and possibly basically do all your branding for you for instead of going and paying someone, for $500,000. You can do it for less than like $100. You can have all your own branding done. So very, very cool program. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go through the bonus page, put some cool bonuses together for you. We're gonna go through a demo video, a really quick demo video that shows you how simple it is. This is one of Napier's products. He makes products that work really, really well. So I'm happy to promote this. And then we're gonna go through the OTOs and which ones I think are really important for you. And right now, because it's just launching, you can get it for a smoking deal. So I recommend grabbing it right away. Or if you're watching this video and the bonus page is still up, then you're probably able to still access those really good prices. So let's jump into it. First off, we'll jump over to my bonus page so you can see exactly what the bonuses are you're going to be getting and where the OTOs are. Let me just scroll through this for you. Can you see that? Yeah. Sorry guys, I'm having terrible allergies today. We've shut our windows, it's snowing here, and I've got the fireplace on, and it's just killing my allergies. All right, so the first one we're going to look at is Insurgency. It's a great app that's going to really pump your getting people to your pages. Number two is how to make an app in less than 25 minutes. Is one thing that this does not do is make apps. So this is a really cool program on how you can quickly create a website app for them for their branding and for their site. How to get better conversions. We've put this bonus in a couple of our products. This is a really good thing on how to close the deal, basically. How to get your product, your message out there and close the deal. And then, of course, Continuum, which is another awesome program. And then we've got some semi-exclusive vendor bonuses that are only available to certain affiliates. So we're going to make sure that you get all of those. So those are the bonuses, guys. And if you don't feel like picking this up and you want my advice, come down and grab my download, my free 6-figure blueprint checklist. And it's a 2-page to show you exactly what I do to make money every single day online and build my email list. All right, so let's jump into the video here and bring up my screen. We're going to watch a little demo. And this is a good time to hit the subscribe button. If you haven't already hit subscribe, then make sure you hit the subscribe button. And we're going to pop in the video here, and then I'll be right back to talk about the OTOs. We'll actually we'll open up the back office so you can see exactly what you're seeing on screen is in the back office, and a couple little things I can point out for you. So here we go. I'll see you in a few minutes.
Welcome to the demo of 4Brand. Let's say we just got a customer with a company that sells tours around the mountains of Colorado. They want us to create a fresh new logo, give them an idea of how that logo would look on a road sign, the most effective advertising method, and create a logo video to use in the highlight video they give to their customers and then post that on YouTube. Plus, they want some graphics to spice up their boring YouTube channel. Now that may seem like a big list of branding assets, and it is. And the good thing is you get paid for all of that. But the cool thing is that with 4Brand, this is not a problem at all. First, let's get the logo ready since it will be the foundation for all the other work that we are doing. New customer, so of course new folder, on the road tours. Grab a great template, then we can customize it. Tons of fonts, layouts, and opacity, every formatting feature you would ever need. Plus you can manipulate the text, add your text, select the effect, and change the text. You get something like this. Moving on. Now that we have our logo, we want to show the client how it will look on a road sign. So we will need to create a mockup. Click on mockups, select the road sign template, click to change the image. We are back in our familiar editor. Click on your logos, select the logo, resize, and that's it, you're done. Then we get a preview of the mockup we just created. And that's 2 of the 4 things we're getting paid to create. Now that logo video, again all done with templates. Create a new one, click it to get a preview of the effect. We add our title, tagline, image, of course our logo, the familiar editor again, and adjust the size of our logo, and save. And then we can add the audio. There are lots of audio options. We can even upload our own. Here's one that we'll use. So we set our options, save it, and then click render. When we are done, we have a great little video to play at the beginning and at the end of the highlight videos that our client is now going to post on YouTube. Now let's create the branding for the YouTube channel as well. The brand graphics section is where you can create a variety of standard online graphics as well as print graphics for brochures and business cards. We are creating a social graphic, so let's create that YouTube cover from the templates. We have all kinds of templates to start from. I'm just going to grab a random one here. Again, we are in that very familiar editor. Make our changes with our logo in there and save. Now we have all the assets that the client wanted. We have a logo, we have a road sign mockup, we have a logo video, and we have a social graphic for YouTube. Now that we have all the assets that our client wanted, we simply download each one by clicking here and clicking download and deliver them to our client and get paid. This is how you make 4Brand work for you.
All right, guys, pretty simple program to use. Let's jump into the back office here so you can take a look at what it looks like exactly. So here's the dashboard. Exactly what he showed you there. It's all really basic. What I like about this program is they actually have a little help messenger bot in here, so you can actually get help when you're in here right away. This is, excuse me again, guys. This is the starter kit. So we're just going to look at. You go in here just like he did. You can make your logos very quickly. Whether you're making a logo for yourself, you're doing some local marketing, that kind of thing, you just create a folder. There's been a bunch of people in here. This is a demo account here, so there's Pete's reviews, and it's very simple to use. You've got the mock-ups. So he showed you how they mocked up to the billboard. Really easy to do. The logo video app, and then the brand graphics will all be here. Now this has agency here, but it hasn't been activated. So if you do want to get into agency, I'll show you that in the OTOs. But like I said, guys, I like Neil's stuff. This is going to be very, very, very simple to use. So even if you're just doing it for your own branding for like, I think it's $37 to pick up the starter kit. So it's definitely worth it on that. Let's go over to the OTOs. Okay, so it starts out at $37, and you can get it for $37 or $39 for I think you get a much better thing. The commercial license is for $39, so definitely pick up the other one of it. I recommend always getting unlimited on all apps that you buy. So it's a one-time fee of $97 or $67 annual. If you can afford that, definitely you want to be grabbing that. Now the 4Brand template club. That if you're really doing agency, yes, but if you've got templates, guys, you can take those templates and start recreating them however you want. So I don't think that's necessarily one you need unless you are going to be doing the Fiverr gig. I like this agency for just $59. You get a website builder, you get website templates, you have an autoresponder integration into, this is a huge thing. You can host website on custom domains, unlimited agency users. You can process, it's got payment processing in there. You can have 5 branding agencies. So yeah, this is a really, really great deal for just $59, guys. And this is the one I like too, is 4Brand Local Toolkit. So if you you brand yourself, you pick this up. Well, they've got Fiverr startup training, they've got Upwork startup training, they've got custom Upwork Fiverr audit. So it's going to tell you how to do exactly how to do put up your ad on Fiverr. And guys, 1 gig on Fiverr could pay for this whole system. Freelance video promo template kit, prospecting client acquisition kit, custom agency license certificate, contract draft, Facebook ad creative, job finder. So very, very cool. One of the bonuses too that we're putting in is a client finder. So if you wanted to target, I think they had tour buses there. If you wanted to target the tour buses in your town, you could do it. You could send them a little ad, show them what you could do. You make up a mock-up one and say, well, here's what your logo would look like. Here's what an animated YouTube logo would look like. here's what your branding on a billboard would look like, or any kind of a business card, that kind of thing, which is all in there. I don't know if you saw that part of it. I think it was in here, the brand graphics. So you've got the social media designs. Again, sorry, I'm sniffing, guys. My allergies killing me here. So you've got all your social media templates here, and you've also got your print. So you've got business cards, brochures, ebook covers, certificates, invoices, flyers, all sorts of stuff. So you've got all these great templates in here. So this is a great flyer template. See, this is what I'm talking about. Like these 5 templates, you could make unlimited ads for people, because all you're going to be doing is switching out a couple of the items in it, which reflects their thing, changing the logo, and boom, you're done. So very, very cool. Here, so let me jump back on here. So my verdict is I definitely give 4Brand a thumbs up. Definitely worth it. I mean, you could be set up, a whole agency set up for about, I think it's $200 or something like that, which is unbelievable. Like I said, 1 gig on Fiverr or 1 gig on Upworks will easily pay for that. And then it's just going to be gravy on anything you make. So if you're looking for a way to make money online, and guys, I have ads on Fiverr because I do work on Fiverr. I have people that contact me through email. Someone wants a funnel built, someone wants a branding built. I just do it. I have software that does that. I'm probably going to pick this up because it's a very, very good deal. I like the video template for the logo. It's very, very cool. It's a really nice system, really very simple, very slick, easy to use, not complicated at all. So I definitely give it a thumbs up. So if you want to grab it, my link is right below. Grab it, you'll get all my bonuses. You always get my help, so you just have to email me and say, hey Glenn, I'm stuck on this, and I can definitely help you along with that. And excuse me, if this isn't for you, if this is not your thing, check out my Best Business Online. It's really, it'll teach you exactly how to do marketing online, teach you how to build a list, how to make money by emailing your list daily. If you're on my list, you probably know that you get a lot of emails from me. Why I send those emails, guys? Because it's a battle of the inbox, and it makes me, every time I hit send, I make money. So that's why we send those emails out to you. People reach out to me through email all the time, asking for help, making sure that they have systems set up. And like any of these products, guys, they don't just make money on their own. You have to implement them. You have to use them, right? So for this, you would go out and you would have to get some gigs. Or if you're using it for your own branding, you could actually create like you could run a whole campaign like, hey, do you want branding like this? Contact me. Do you want branding like this? Contact me. And just run it on social media, run it on Instagram, run it on Facebook, run it on Twitter, right? And run it on those places, or TikTok, or whatever you like using. And then people can contact you and go, yeah, I want branding like that. Charge them $500, $1,000, and say, here's your branding package. Here's a logo. Here's a business card. Here's a teaser for your YouTube video. And here's a mock-up of how it would look on computer screen, this kind of thing. And if you do pick up the agency, then you could definitely yep, we do website builder, all that kind of stuff. So this has been Glenn. This has been, sorry, my name is Glenn. This has been my 4Brand review, demo, walkthrough. And definitely I recommend picking it up. Grab it below, go through the OTOs, grab the ones that you want, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.